Maybe for the past 3 or 4 years, I want to start a YouTube channel. But every time something got in the way. The school, university, work, and of course, my own laziness. Honestly, I had tried once or twice before, but it wasn't serious and things didn't really take off. So I gave up. Then, a few days ago, a little spark hit me, a thought popped into my head, it's time. I already had some ideas in mind, and I knew that if I could make them happen, they'd work. You might be wondering why YouTube. Well, I had been active on Instagram and Telegram for a while and actually got some good results there. But YouTube was a goal that had been sitting in my mind for a long time, still unchecked. I have very curious mind and I love learning everything. The thing is that sometimes we just don't have motivation to go on an adventure. I thought to myself, why not make short, useful videos about the things I research and share them? Why not? That's way. I'd create the motivation and excitement I need for myself. Plus, I could build a community, meet energetic people, and even earn some income along the way. Without wasting any time, I went to YouTube to check out different video styles and see what might work best. That led me to what you are seeing now. I realized that videos made with this stickman style had gone viral for a while, and honestly, I thought it was really fun. So I created a YouTube channel and picked a simple and minimal photo as the logo. Then I went to FreePic to see what free banner templates were available for the channel because paid ones were really expensive and complicated. I quickly chose a banner, did a small edit, and uploaded it. I also spent a day or two learning how to make this type of video from YouTube tutorials. YouTube is amazing. Whatever you want to learn, it's there. After finishing the tutorials, I wrote this script and got ready to record and edit. At first, it seemed really hard and exhausting, but here we are. You are watching these videos, which means it happened. The first video for the channel is made. If you have any ideas for the next video, drop them in the comments and we'll go for it. And finally, I want to say this. No one is responsible for building your life except you.